Alright, today I will be changing the engine air filter on this 2005 Honda CR-V. The parts you will need is the engine air filter, which is part number CA9493, and the tools you'll need is a Phillips screwdriver and a plier. Alright, to get started, there is 5 bolts that you need to remove. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 on the side right here. And you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver and you're going to remove it. Once you loosen all the 5 screws, go ahead and remove this clamp with a plier. And then you're going to pull up. And here is the air filter. Now you put it back in. Doesn't matter how you put it back in because it goes in the same way. Make sure this hose is connected back properly. There you go. Make sure it sits on the top properly, and then now you go ahead and tighten back in. And that's it.